My friend, I went out for a walk, and guess what happened? Rain started and found me in the woods. Oh my God. You know what I said? Let me sit right here and experience what homeless people feel when rain comes and have nowhere to go. Actually, I feel really, really blessed because I survived it. See, I'm walking back, but it was really tough. I had to stand next to a tree to get some kind of shade, and I'm all weight down. So let's be grateful for what we have, especially if you have a home to go to. Sharifa here in Virginia, USA.